This is the final video covering activity 4.5. We just have to finish up with the last two problems, problem 48 and problem 50. Okay, so problem 48 is not in standard form, so we want to, we want to make sure we keep the coefficient in front of the x squared positive, and we want to have 0 on one side of the equation. So you could bring the x squared over to the right, but the problem with that first step would be you'd have a negative x squared on the right side of the equation. So I would suggest bringing the 18 and the negative 7x over to the left side of your equal sign. Right, I would want to subtract 18 from both sides and add 7x to both sides to end up with something that looks like this: x squared plus 7x minus 18 equals 0. Okay, and then this is where you'd say, all right, what two numbers when multiplied result in negative 18, but when added result in positive 7? So I'm thinking maybe 6 and 3 or 9 and 2. So if we were to use negative 2 times positive 9, that would give me negative 18. And when I add them together, that would leave me with positive 7. So we can write x minus 2 times x plus 9 equals 0. And then to finish the problem, we just simply say x equals 2, x equals negative 9. Those are my solution, right? That's my solution to problem 48. Okay, if I look at problem 50, okay, we're not in standard form yet. We have to actually factor out a 5. So if I divide everything by 5, right, first I factor out the 5, and then divide each term by 5, you're going to be left with x squared minus 25. Okay? And then when we go one step further, this is the difference of two squares, so I can actually write 5 times x plus 5 times the quantity x minus 5 equals 0. Right? Remember that a squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b times a plus b, or a plus b times a minus b. So the final answer, the solution, would be x equals negative 5 and x equals positive 5. Right? Those are the values that would give me 0 or result in 0. Okay, so that's it. That's all I have for this video. You know what? I think I'm going to do one more bonus while we're here. Let's do 47. All right, so 47, again, what two numbers when multiplied result in negative 7, but when added result in 6? So I'm thinking of probably negative 1 times positive 7 would result in negative 7. And when I add those together, I get 6. So that looks good. So we can write x minus 1 times x plus 7 equals 0. And the final answer is x equals 1, x equals negative 7. Done. Okay, so that should do it for section 4.5. Have a great day.